Hey, what's going on, people? King Rich's, Westfields, White City, Television Centre. Approaching loads of girls, doing it proper. A lot of man online, they talk about girls and da-da-da-da, but they're not moving to girls really though. Wins, losses, but it's all real in it, yeah? So, bam! What are you up to? Just a bit of Selfridges shopping?
No, I need to collect something from someone.
You what? Collect what?
Collect a dress from someone who's in Stratford, so I brought a bag to put it in.
Oh, what, you out tonight? Bank holiday?
I was out yesterday, so I haven't done
Bank holiday?
I was out yesterday, so I haven't done that.
Oh, so was I still. I'm not going to go out no more.
Yeah,
I want to be a homebody.
Okay, I'm not going to be a homebody, but for now,
For now?
cut the brakes.
Yeah, we need to break together, innit?
No, we don't.
Why not?
Nah.
Why?
I don't break with men.
What? You don't break. So what should we do then instead?
Smile.
Smile. Another time other than today. Was that funny? That was standard. Like, that wasn't even a joke. I mean that.
That's so funny.
Hey, but for real, so what's your details in it? Like, so I can talk to you again.
What's your name?
King. How's your day going? You okay? What's your name?
Oh, no, that's not.
Oh, shame. Whoa. I don't want to talk to you. No, I say that she probably don't like black guys, yeah? Because she didn't even look at me. She was just like, they can't like all of us brothers, bruv. What's your name? Okay, alright, where you from?
Finland.
Finland?
Yeah. We're leaving back tomorrow.
Whoa, oh, that's pain, man. So were you just here for the weekend and that?
Yeah.
Oh, man, what are you doing the rest of tonight?
Just shopping.
Just shopping? We should meet up, innit? Maybe. Shall I get your Instagram so that we can talk, and then maybe before you fly away and leave me forever? Yeah? Let me get your Instagram quickly. Are you enjoying the UK, London? You like it?
Yeah.
Are you gonna come back for me?
Maybe.
Huh?
Maybe.
Hey, we gotta turn that maybe into 100%. You get me? You're gorgeous. Excuse me. Don't mean to be rude or anything, but I saw you and I thought you were really attractive. Yo, your mum?
Yeah.
Oh, hello, mum. Hello. Yeah, I didn't want to be rude and all of that. What's your name?
Sorry.
Oh, you're married? Oh, okay. Bruv, I had to move to that. Did you see the back? Did you see the back? Bruv, the mum was there. I don't care, bruv. See, I had to say something, bro, because, bruv, hey, one life, fam, one life. I'm alright, you know? Where you up to? Just a bit of shopping? Okay, alright. I'm King. Nice to meet you. You from around here? Where do I sound like I'm from? I'm from South London. Yeah. Yeah, man, South still. But yeah, man, you having a good day and all of that?
Yeah, it's been alright.
Did you go out last night? You going out tonight? You don't go out? You're a homebody like me?
Pretty much.
Is it?
You also don't sound like a home with me. I'm about to go in there.
Oh, okay. Let me tell you your details so I can see you again. Cool. So we're going to be homebodies together, yeah?
I guess so. We'll see about that.
There you go. There you go. I'm gonna come dap you up because since you got me up from all the way over there, I come dap you up.
Come on, man.
Shout yourself out, bro.
Yeah, what's that, man? It's your boy Amazing, you know what it is. Y'all gonna see me sooner or later. Big facts, this is now. Y'all gonna see me sooner or later.
Trust me, stepping stone, stepping stone.
Man.
Love my brother, yeah. I just come back to say hello and that, yeah. Safe, brother. We got to all the man, them and the girl, them, and everybody recognize me. We're on job, innit, yeah? We're on job. Wow. You.
Me?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Wow. What's your name?
What's your name?
King.
King.
Yeah.
King.
Yeah.
Lovely to meet you.
No, are you Australian?
I am Australian.
Wow. How long you been in the UK?
6 months.
How are you finding it?
It's good.
You like it?
Yeah.
You like the guys?
They're a bit forward.
Forward? Well, like me. Have I said anything forward? I'm just trying to be like, you know, polite.
No, it's nice. I appreciate it.
What, the guys in Australia are a bit scared, shy?
Yeah, they're very shy.
Is it? Nah, women like confident men.
That is true.
Yeah.
To a certain extent.
Yeah, I hear that. I hear that. You're very nice looking and you're very, you know, well built.
Thank you. I
Yeah,
appreciate it.
just my type.
There you go. You gotta be someone's type.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, man. It all fits. I don't want to get you in trouble or nothing. Like, so I'd like to see you again outside of work.
Like to see. Maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe.
What details am I allowed to take right now so I can talk to you again?
My Instagram.
I don't want to be a fan though.
A fan.
Yeah, so like people give out their Instagrams and then get rid of them. I ain't gonna ever talk to you.
No, we'll see. We'll see.
Alright, cool.
Gracias. What's your name again? Prince.
Prince, oh, you're trying it. You're funny. You got jokes. There's no script. There's no structure. I literally say anything because I don't give a fuck. Do you understand? I don't give two shits. It's whatever. What is that?
So it's ice cream. With,
Ice cream.
Yeah, with like rice around it.
Rice.
It's like a rice starch around it. It's like
Wow.
soft. Yeah.
Okay, all right. I saw you and I thought, oh, you're absolutely gorgeous.
Oh, thank you.
Like, it's crazy.
Oh, thanks.
It's crazy right now. You doing it for the gram, yeah?
Yeah, just sending a snap.
Oh, all right. What are you doing? Are you coming or going? You got your luggage and all of that?
Oh, we're just gonna go do some shopping.
All right. What's your name? Where you from? Right there. Oh, I'm from South still. Hey, so I'm gonna leave you to your shopping and that, but I want details so we're gonna see each other again with your big jacket.
No, I have a boyfriend.
Oh, all right, no worries. You're looking nice today, man. What you up to? Just going home. Just done a bit of shopping, yeah. I hear that. Where you from?
As in country or area?
Area. It don't matter what country you're from. It matters where you are here, innit? Oh, local. Oh,
Yeah.
that's what I like. All right, cool. So obviously I want to see you again, innit? Can we make that happen?
I'm actually in a situation. I'm in a situationship.
Situation.
So-
Yeah. So then that means that's not really serious like that, then.
No, trust me, it is.
It is.
Yeah, families involved, everything. So
Families.
situation.
You know what? You might need a new start still.
Honestly, not the right time in my life.
Not the right time.
No.
Maybe another time.
Sure. Yeah, we'll do it.
All right. I'll let you go though, but you're looking nice though. Take care. Oh, you look lost. Are you okay?
Yes.
Yeah? All right. I thought I'd come and help you. What's your name? What country are you from? Oh, my favorite. You're just my type, you know. Are you in a hurry? Huh? You know when it's just like it's not adapting. You know what I'm saying? So get me, just peel off innit. Don't waste time, just peel off, man. I like your jacket. Yeah. It's an interesting outfit, but it works. It works for you. What's your name? What country are you from? Oh, but like I saw you and I thought, oh, she's nice. I like her little outfit. It's different, and like I wanted to see you again. So you have a boyfriend?
Almost married.
Almost married.
Yeah.
I can understand why. All right, take care. Yeah.
I'm okay.
What's your name?
Are you going to NASA?
Yeah. You coming? Why not? You're not gonna come with me. Where are you off to? Oh yeah.
Yes.
You're having a good day though.
I'm always having a good day.
Always. You got some nice nails, you know. You look after yourself. Hey, before you run away, let me get some digits in it. So why? I don't get it. She's fully like get me all smiling up, but sometimes that's what happens, innit? They'll be giving you green light and then boom at the last minute. Red murder. Bruv, to be honest, the results have been kind of poor. The results were kind of poor today, but that's just how it goes. That's reality, bro. Like that's how I'm showing you like the real stuff in it. Like, and I am approaching women that are decent. Do you get what I'm saying? Like a lot of times you see these approaching girls videos, they're approaching girls that you should be able to get. Do you get what I'm saying? Because they're mid. I'm approaching women that are decent. And you know what, another thing, and the cameraman can attest to this, man did better off camera than on camera, bro. So I made two things off the camera and they were decent. Do you get what I'm saying? They were decent. Yeah, but like on the camera, the results were not that great. But anyway, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know where you think I went wrong. or what I did right, or whatever you think, innit? Let me know in the comments below. And anyway, with that being said, I'm out of here. Peace.